I can take two takeaway messages. One is the idea that Europe created some conceptual frameworks to promote regional development, and now it's spreading it out and sort of to see other countries, other regions, and is trying to share lessons. But I think what is important here in this conference or this seminar is that Europe is also open to learn and try to see how this concept that was created here is now being used in different contexts to be applicable in different areas. And so I think the main concept is this knowledge sharing and learning, mutual learning, I think is an important one. The second one, I think, is also the ambitions of creating a space for this concept to also sort of give us a guideline to understand how science, technology, and innovation can be connected to other areas of economics, like industrialization or social development, to create this space for development. I think those are the two key takeaway messages that I can take in this conference. I don't know I can give you an answer, but I think from the perspective of UNIDO, the organization that I work for, we are interested in fostering inclusive, sustainable industrial development. And what I tend to see here is the emphasis on economic development. I think the challenge for this community or people working on this area is to be more proactive and more aware in terms of how to connect this economic development to ideas of inclusion, inclusiveness, and sustainability. I think that's a discourse that needs to be articulated for us. I mean, we work for the United Nations, and these ideas, these are the debates that we are not really able to address in an articulated way. So I think this is a challenge. I would say more an opportunity than I would say is really like something that's taking place now that I can say is connected. I think it's a challenge for the smart specialization to connect to broader debates at the development level.